Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the 2025 Chevrolet 3100, a stunning vintage pickup that brings together the charm of classic Americana with the power and technology of modern engineering. This isn't just any pickup, it's a celebration of Chevrolet's heritage, reimagined for today's driving enthusiasts. Let's start with the exterior. When you first lay eyes on the 2025 Chevrolet 3100, you can't help but notice the seamless blend of old-school ruggedness with a fresh twist of modern design. The body retains that iconic wide front grille that made the 3100 a legend in the mid-1900s, but it's updated with sleek chrome accents, giving it a polished look. The curved fenders and retro-style headlights harken back to the original, but the use of LED lighting provides a more efficient and contemporary touch. The truck sits on 18-inch multi-spoke wheels with a timeless yet modern design, which helps balance the vehicle's old-school appeal with the demands of today's roads. The paint options on the 20253100 are exceptional, with a variety of classic colors like a deep, rich red and glossy white, alongside more modern metallic finishes that shine in the sun. The exterior dimensions have been adjusted for better handling, making it just a bit more compact than the original models, which ensures it's easier to maneuver in urban environments without losing its powerful presence on the road. Moving on to the interior, and this is where the Chevrolet 3100 truly begins to impress. The cabin has been beautifully designed, retaining vintage elements while integrating cutting-edge tech for a comfortable and luxurious driving experience. The dashboard has a classic feel, with retro dials and a simplified layout that's reminiscent of the original model. However, this time they're joined by a modern digital display that provides real-time data such as navigation, fuel economy, and a host of driver assistance features. The seats are upholstered in a combination of leather and high-quality fabric, giving a luxurious yet comfortable feel, perfect for long drives. The front seats are powered and adjustable, ensuring the perfect driving position, while the rear bench offers ample space for passengers. The wood accents on the dashboard and door panels are a nod to the original truck's rustic character, now paired with modern technology like wireless charging pads, USB ports, and Bluetooth connectivity. One of the standout features of the interior is the advanced sound system. Chevrolet's 20253100 is equipped with a high-definition audio system that offers clear, powerful sound, perfect for listening to your favorite tunes while cruising through the countryside. And of course, the climate control system is fully automatic, ensuring that you and your passengers are always comfortable, no matter the weather outside. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Chevrolet 3100 is powered by a robust V engine, offering more than enough power for both daily driving and weekend adventures. It produces around 400 horsepower, which is more than capable of handling a heavy load in the bed or towing a boat or trailer. The engine is paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, which ensures a comfortable and responsive ride. For those who love the rumble of a truck's engine, you'll be pleased to know that this vintage-inspired pickup doesn't disappoint. The engine produces a deep, throaty growl that perfectly complements the truck's rugged design. Despite its vintage roots, this truck is surprisingly agile, with a modern suspension system that smooths out bumpy roads and sharp turns. The 20253100 features an advanced traction control system, making it easy to handle in all types of weather, from rain to snow to dirt roads. It's equipped with an all-wheel drive system, which enhances stability and traction, making it versatile enough to handle off-road adventures if you choose to take it off the beaten path. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 is loaded with modern features. It comes standard with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, and automatic emergency braking. These features help ensure the driver and passengers are protected, while also providing a seamless and easy driving experience. Let's now talk about pricing. The 2025 Chevrolet 3100, due to its unique blend of classic style and modern technology, comes with a price tag that reflects its premium status. The starting price for the base model is around $45,000, which is reasonable when you consider the level of craftsmanship, performance, and features that come with the truck. If you opt for the higher trims, which include additional luxury features such as leather upholstery, premium sound systems, and advanced driver assistance packages, you can expect to pay upwards of $50,000 to $60,000. For those who are looking for something a bit more unique, Chevrolet also offers custom editions that allow for even more personalization, including special paint jobs, custom wheels, and additional off-road equipment. These models can push the price into the higher $60,000 range, but they are well worth the investment for collectors or enthusiasts who want a truly one-of-a-kind ride. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 is a fantastic blend of vintage charm and modern performance. It brings back the nostalgia of the classic Chevy trucks while providing all the comfort, safety, and tech that modern buyers expect. Whether you're using it as a workhorse or a weekend cruiser, this truck has something to offer. It stands as a tribute to the legacy of Chevrolet while embracing the future of automotive design and innovation. So, if you're in the market for a unique, stylish, and capable pickup, the 2025 Chevrolet 3100 might just be the perfect choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more car reviews.